Welcome to the Move Grants tutorial.
In this video, we will guide you through the process of applying for the second call of the WBF Move Grants, our exciting new grant-giving scheme aimed at fostering mobility and collaboration in the Western Balkans region. Whether you are a researcher, student, lecturer, artist, athlete, or simply someone with a passion for exploration and exchange, the Move Grants provide a unique opportunity to turn your ideas into reality.
Our first call for proposals, launched in April, generated an overwhelming response, with over 400 applicants and 23 grant winners selected from all the contracting parties of the Western Balkans region.
Building on this momentum, we are excited to announce the launch of our second call for proposals. This time, the call is open exclusively to individuals and not to organizations. For the organizations, another large call will be announced in the foreseeable future.
Let's get down to the key details you need to know. Eligibility. To be eligible for the Move Grants, you simply need to hold the citizenship of one of the 6 contracting parties of the Western Balkans Fund. Every citizen in the region is encouraged to apply and showcase their talents and ambitions.
Funding and support. Selected proposals will be granted up to €5,000 to support a wide range of activities. Whether you are looking to participate in conferences, engage in research, embark on study visits, create artistic projects, or represent your work in fairs, the Move Grants are designed to empower your mobility and promote regional cooperation.
Application process. To apply, all you need to do is register and create a profile on our platform. Once you have completed your profile, you can submit your application within the deadline. Please note that the deadline for applications is the 5th of July 2023, so make sure to submit your proposal on time.
Thank you for your interest in the Move Grants. We look forward to receiving your applications and witnessing the remarkable projects that will shape the future of the Western Balkans region.
Remember, the Move Grants are your gateway to new opportunities, connections, and experiences. Take that first step, and let us support you in making your dreams a reality. Good luck. Kind regards, the Western Balkans Fund.